what I use to place these eyelashes on. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the rest of this video because baby, we about to get into it. The HighOh, make sure you guys go and invest.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl D Doubles. Thank you for tuning in today. And if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a like and a comment down below, and don't forget to share this video. If you are a returning subscriber, you already know what to do, DDT gang. Go ahead and hit that like button. I know y'all already like, girl, where you been at? Like, why you ain't been posting? Why you ain't been dropping no content? You guys can tell by the title what I'm going to be getting into today. I'm going to be reviewing this company named HighOh. I'm going to leave everything in the description box below. And without further ado, you guys, I'm just going to get into the video. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so let's just jump right into this video. This is the packaging that it came in, and as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but by yours truly, you know, it's for your girls. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. This is the 3-in-1 lash liner, eyelash adhesive eyeliner, lash enhancer. This is from HighOh. It says it's waterproof, it's waterproof and smudge proof, suitable for sensitive eyes. It's cruelty free and vegan free. All of their social media platforms are on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know, but everything is going to be in the description box below, you guys. And this right here, I guess it's like the little barcode thing or whatever. And on the back it says, please read instructions manually carefully before using our eyeliner. Like, they're going into details. I guess you have to go to their website to actually read their directions. So anyways you guys, the ingredients for this, you know, everything that I get, every item that I get, every purchase or anything that I buy, I always, no matter what it is, whether it's the food, the cereal box, whatever it is, I always read the ingredients, okay? Even if you don't know what stuff mean, Google it, okay? But I see the ingredients, and let me just get these. Let me open it for you guys. So this is how it looks. Fancy. These are so fancy, and they're super cute, you guys. They're so cute. It says HighOh. I don't know if you guys can see that. So this is the one that's in clear. It says in clear. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this is the one that's in black. This is the one that's in black, you guys. So the one I'm gonna try, I'm gonna try the clear on one eye, and then I'm gonna try the black on the other eye, so you guys can see how both of them look. I'm sitting up here talking to y'all, and I ain't even got my eyelashes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go run and go get my eyelashes, and I'll be right back. Okay. So I'm gonna take the lash, as you can see, and that's what side is it? What side is this? Oh, your right side or something like that? Yeah. But anyways, y'all, this is how the lash is looking. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is how the lash look. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the clear on the right eye and put the black on the left eye. I'm gonna put the black on the left eye, so I'm gonna shake that, baby. Shake that. So this is the applicant, you guys. This is the applicator, you guys. This is how it looks. This is the clear one. And I'm just going to reposition this so you guys can see this in real life. Like, so you guys can see me actually, you know, actually applying it. So yeah. And mind you, not only is it for the lashes, it's also a liner as well. So we're gonna Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see the clear, you know. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close this, and I'm just gonna take the lash. I know y'all don't see the clear, so I'm gonna take my lash and just see what's going on. You know, just take the lash. See what? How long, y'all? But look at me, y'all. Like, this stuff really works though. So now we're gonna try the black. Bop, 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 bop. All right, shake it up a little bit. Y'all don't be like me, because it said go read the directions or whatever like that. But you know me, I ain't with none of that. All right, so this is gonna be me applying the black, okay, y'all. And don't be coming for me about no about me lying in my eyes and stuff like that, because that I ain't no guru, babe. I ain't got that down to a T yet. So put a thin layer of that black on them. And I'm gonna take the left lash and we finna see what it do. Okay, period. We finna see what it do. Great, so motherfucking beautiful, beautiful. So let's see. The left eye is on, of course. So you guys, this is how it's looking. I like this. Like, I am sold. I hope y'all are sold. It is so easy. This is how it's looking, you guys. And I'm digging this. Like, this is so, I'm gonna start adding this. This is gonna be something new. This is gonna be something new. So you guys, stay tuned for an up-to-date makeup tutorial, because I just found something, you know what I'm saying, that's just like so convenient, you guys. So let me tell y'all something. This stuff is like real for real. Like, this is good. Like, especially like if you are a perfectionist and you do the eyeliner and the eyeliner and the cat eye thing, baby, they have it in black and in clear. Like I'm really feeling this. Like, you feel me? This is the black and the clear, y'all. This is dope. So what I'm gonna need for y'all to do, you guys can use my link down below to go shop with HighOh. And hold up, I got you. I have a 10% discount code. I'm gonna leave it down below as well, and I'm gonna also leave it right here on the screen so that you guys can use it while you're purchasing. You guys, I'm telling y'all, this is a 10 out of 10 for me, because especially if you're a beginner, like if you're a beginner doing makeup, if you're a beginner with the eyeliner, anything that you're doing, baby, this is tea. I am telling y'all. And then they got it so conveniently in 2 different colors. They have it in clear, and they have it in black. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I'm gonna need for y'all to go get that. Like, for real though. Like,